Hello guys! Today we're going to talk about a TikTok hack that can earn you up to $3,000 per month on autopilot. Before we begin, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Now, without further ado, let us get right into it. I've got an excellent strategy that I think you'll like today. And what we're doing is using TikTok as a tool. Not only will we be able to make money, but we will also be able to build our email list. And the thing about creating an email list is that you'll get leads that you can turn into pretty much anything you want. Step 1. You'll need a TikTok account, an email, and some email CRM, which I'll show you how to set up. You'll also need a domain name, which will cost you around $10. Just by promoting this tool, I'm also making money on the back end with the emails I'm getting. I'll show you how to do that. Let's talk about the first thing you want to do. Then we'll talk about how to create the content and automate everything. The first thing you'll do is register a domain name. So I use GoDaddy. You can use whatever you want, but I think GoDaddy is fine for buying domains. And we need to buy a domain because if you don't, it will be complicated to get your TikTok videos seen. And what I mean is that a lot of the time, if I'm going to promote something and I start telling people to go to the link in my bio, the videos don't perform as well as they do when I ask them to go to a website, a tool, or some domain that I already have set up. People don't question whether the tool is mine or I'm associated with it because I'm directing them to an actual website. What I'm saying may not make sense, but allow me to demonstrate how this works. And I believe you will understand what I'm saying in a second. So what we're going to do is go to GoDaddy, and then we'll type in whatever domain we want around the thing we're promoting. In this case, we will be promoting the tool called Jasper, and there are numerous other tools you can promote. Whatever tool you select, that is the domain you will receive. So if I go to GoDaddy and type in jaspertoolbot.com, because the tool we're promoting is called Jasper, right? As a result, we want to be as similar as possible. Let's stick with jaspertoolbot.com. Okay, I bought that domain because I'm going to send people to this link for the same reason I'm doing this. So when I make a TikTok video, I'll say, hey, go to jaspertoolbot.com, and at the end of the video, you can try out the tool for free. Okay, now when they click on this link, it will take them to my affiliate, but they won't realize it because they will believe jaspertoolbot.com is the same as jasper.ai. They won't notice the link change. Some will, but the majority will not. Even if they do see, they won't be bothered. So when they click on Get Started, they'll get this tool, and I'll get a couple of things. Step 2. Now I'm going to get Sign Up so that I can download the email and use it in my email software. But I'll also get a referral or sign up when someone signs up and buys. I'll make money. So let me demonstrate what you will do next. So the next thing you will do is sign up for an affiliate or partner account with Jasper and scroll down. And there's a link here called Affiliate Partners that you'll click on to apply. You enter your email and your information, giving you an account and affiliate link. You start with a free trial because it's the best landing page. So I do that, and then I click Copy. What I want to do now is set up a forwarding address with GoDaddy. It's really simple to do, and if you need help, please comment below and I will reply back with step-by-step instructions. So depending on what platform you're using, you can do this on any website. You can also do a 301 Direct, and if you're not sure how to do a 301 Direct, just Google 301 Direct and I'm sure you'll find a tutorial for this. I'm sure there are other external sources you could also use for this, such as a Bitly link. So if you wanted to make things a little easier, you could use Bitly. Get a shortened link like this. Click, type in your affiliate link, and then click Shorten. Then just fast forward to that. Pretty simple. Return to your forwarding, add forwarding. And then, yeah, that should work. Okay, so it doesn't matter what you do, just figure out a way to redirect, and you should be all set. And you could tell people to go to the link in your bio description. After you've done the forwarding, you will download any emails that come in through the app. Step 3. When people sign up for the tool, you're going to go to the dashboard that says Fill Your Referrals, and you're going to click on Download. And this will generate a spreadsheet containing all of the emails. Also, if you go to Assets on the Jasper page or the affiliate dashboard, they have a swipe file that allows you to set up automated emails that you can send. So I'll show you how to do that in a moment. Step 4. Let's go to ConvertKit and convert the email conversions kits I use. So I'm going to log in. Now, if I go to Grow Subscribers and click on Add Subscribers, Import CSV, and then drag this in, I'll be able to import all of my emails into ConvertKit, and it will give me the ability to email them as a result. I could take all of these emails and click on Send Broadcast, and I can start sending emails to all of these people signing up for this tool. And I can take pre-written emails. If I go to Jasper Partners Swipe Emails, I can start copying and pasting these into the emails and start making more sales by simply inserting my affiliate links. Step 5. Okay, but first, let's talk about making contact. I want to show you how to do TikTok. To get people interested in the tool, which is the simplest way to do TikTok, I discovered that you should go to Google and type in how to make money with AI writing tools or whatever topics you're reading about. And you'll take the various tips and turn them into TikTok. There may be topics in which people might be interested. Okay, so you can use AI writing tools, like how to rank higher on Google and get more content on your blog. Okay, so we know what we need to talk about when it comes to TikTok so that we can create a script for ourselves for TikTok. And I recommend when you're doing TikToks, only do the 15-second videos. I found those work the best. And then you're going to do 3 seconds on the first clip, 3 seconds on the following 3 seconds on the last one. So I usually do the TikTok and say something like, "Did you know you can do this?" For example, in this case, we'll replace this with whatever the tip is, like, "Did you know that you can enhance your blogs with AI content?" And then all you have to do is this. And then you take a screen video of you clicking on the button. Tell them you want to try out the tool, navigate to jaspertoolbot.com. Okay, that was probably 4 or 5 seconds each for each segment. You don't have to do an exact number of scenes. It could be 3 or 4. But suppose you do something along those lines and do that for 5 or 6 different videos like this 5 or 6 different topics. In that case, you'll be surprised at how quickly you can start getting traction just by posting these, and what I do is I'll go and schedule these out. So I'll take 6 or 7 different TikToks and use this strategy. Right. Take all these tips, turn them into different TikToks, basically saying the same thing, just from different angles, and then save the majority of them as drafts. So I'll put one up in the morning, and then I'll have 6 more to save as drafts. And I'll keep posting them throughout the day. And you can see that I'm getting over 10,000 views per day and getting a lot of traffic to the various things I'm promoting. And once again, the best part is that you'll be able to receive a flood of emails. And I can use those emails to promote not only the tool that I'm promoting, but also future things that I'm promoting. And I can promote anything I can promote services. I could promote other tools, I could promote courses or anything else I wanted. But once again, this is a way to earn money on the front end while also building your list and generating a ton of leads on the back end to monetize further in the future. So if you want more videos like this, let me know by leaving a like or comment. Let me know in the comment section. You want to see more videos like this, so I know to make more videos like this, but that's the step-by-step system. I hope you have a good time with it. This is a great way to make a lot of money while only making 15-second videos once you have everything set up. That's all for today. We'll see you in the next one. But in the meantime, take action and make that money. See you later. Take care.